Okay, I have one of my 8-ounce packages of cream cheese already in my mixing bowl. I'm getting my other 8-ounce package. Oh, the cream cheese is trying to escape. And I have my stand mixer here. I have the paddle attachment. If you don't have a stand mixer, that's okay. You can use a handheld mixer. I've made many a cheesecake with a handheld mixer. You just need to be very low and very not aggressively. I'm going to put this down, and you want to start out slowly and then build to medium heat. We just want it to get nice and smooth and creamy. Just takes, gosh, probably just a minute or two, and then you'll see me gradually add in the sugar. Let's get that started. I have it just on low right now, just so it doesn't fly in my face, which, you know, I prefer it not to. All right, let's just whip. All right, now we can get up. Oh. It's about medium to high temperature, and it just looks like a nice creamy consistency. It's not chunky. It's not, you know, sticking to anything really. You know, it's not clumping together. It's nice and smooth and creamy. It looks almost like a cream, if you will. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit, and I'm gonna gradually add my sugar. You see, it's nice and smooth and creamy. I will stop and scrape down the sides, just, you know, make sure. Oh, there we go. When you turn up high enough, it'll kind of get off the paddle, and see how smooth it is? Nice and creamy. It's right where we want it. You should really want to give it a chance to really incorporate really well. That's good. Let's add a little bit more. Didn't know we could do that. And add the rest of it. There we go. That was 2/3 of a cup of sugar. It's so nice and smooth and rich and creamy. That's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'll show you what the paddle looks like just so you kind of see. See how nice and perfect that is? I'm going to just scrape down the sides, and then we'll be ready to add in the rest of our ingredients. Just want to... A spatula actually be really good for this. I just didn't grab one. But you can use a spatula just to kind of scrape down the sides. You know, make sure you get everything. That's all right to do. There we go. Perfect. All right. There we go. I'm not afraid to use my fingers. I think I could just eat this part. The cream cheese and the sugar. All right. Perfect. I'm just going to set that aside. Okay. And next we're going to add our eggs in one at a time, and I'll show you how we're going to do that.